Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a video because I wanted to see if I could find the cheapest Apple CarPlay head unit on Amazon and replace my original stereo in my 2004 Ford Explorer. And the one that I got was $59-ish, and I got it delivered like the next day, and it supposedly has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and it has other inputs. It has wired CarPlay and auxiliary input, USB, etc. So I couldn't believe the price, and I looked at the reviews. They're not very good to good, so I wanted to see for myself, and I don't think there's anything to lose. The original stereo only had, a CD player, cassette, and FM radio, and I think it's time for an upgrade. So I will probably make some other videos on the installation, but this one is to show after I installed it, and here it is. So this is a double DIN radio, and it fits in the space. It's not quite the right size. If you look right here on the side, it's got some space here that the surround would take up, but at the top and the bottom there is no space. So I'll have to put something in the sides to fill up the space, but that shouldn't be too hard. I had a little bit of trouble with the installation just because there's not a lot of attachment points on the sides. There's like space, but what I ended up doing was using the bracket off of the original stereo and drilling some holes in it to match up with some of the holes on this unit so that the installation would be clean, and it worked out pretty well after some trial and error. And I wanted this to sit in the same spot that the original one did, and as far as forward and backward, and I think it does that pretty well. And now let's get to turning it on. So I obviously played around with it a little bit already, but you can see I changed it to a Ford logo, and here is the home screen for this. It's pretty nice. Clock, date, automatically set. It has CarPlay, it has a radio, USB, Bluetooth music, Bluetooth phone, SD card, AV in, aux in, a setup page, and a logo page where you can set that startup logo, like I changed it to Ford, and that was pretty cool. Not sure about the Chinese part after that. It showed up a couple of times, and then another time it didn't, so not sure, but that's the home screen. And but what I really wanted to show is, and what I got this for, is to show if it did wireless CarPlay. So I'm doing this video right now with my phone, so hopefully it'll still do it. But you go to this phone button here, and then you come to the CarPlay screen that we all know, and there you go. That's pretty darn cool. 50 something bucks to add CarPlay to your old car, and I don't have it wired. This is running off of my phone wirelessly, and it works pretty darn good. So, you know, the usual things that you got here, and phone and music and maps, messages you can get from your phone. Now playing home. Home takes you to this screen, so let's go back to this CarPlay. And then we've got other apps that are on there that I can use. I've only tried a couple of them, but YouTube I did try. YouTube works all right. So let's see if I can play a song that I have on YouTube. And it won't play the song while I'm recording video. Just found that out. Got Waze. So there are some apps on here that are on my phone, and you can have the split screen. Hey Siri, directions to 7-Eleven. And maybe that won't work because I'm taking video. Hey Siri, directions to 7-Eleven. Yep, can't show that. So there you go.
Starting route to 7-Eleven fuel station.
Yep.
Head southeast on East 144th Drive, then turn right onto East 144th Way.
And the usual CarPlay stuff. So that's pretty darn awesome. And I'm really impressed with it. All right, here we are back on the home screen, and what I could say is that for $50-something, I don't think you can lose. This is a Hotfenlee brand, and I'm not affiliated with or sponsored by anybody, but I will put a link to this stereo just because that's the one that I got, and I might do a follow-up video in the future. I think it's pretty awesome, and it does what I wanted it to do, which was wireless CarPlay. And it's got a radio, clock, and other inputs. So thanks for watching.